Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can already see, I'm here again at Orca, right on the Spintex Road, and I'm back again because this time around I'm going to be focusing on certain things that I didn't focus on in the previous video. In case you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'm going to link it somewhere around here. So in that video, obviously I was really excited. I wasn't so detailed, but today I'll be showing you certain things that I didn't show you in that video. So basically I'm going to be giving you guided tour, the new version of what Orca Deco looks like. See, I won't be too detailed because I want you to be here in person for you to be able to check out what this place really and truly does look like. Okay, so upon entry to Orca Deco, to your right you have the entrance, and to the left you'll be seeing the customer service. So right here we have the east wing, which is on the ground floor, and on the other side this is the west wing on the ground floor. And basically upon entry at both wings, they've told you, or there are instructions there as to what you expect in that area. I'm going to just walk you through what they have here from the entrance on the east wing on the ground floor.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately.
So it looks like they have some promotions going on. Some installations is currently going on, but this tree, look at that. So there is also CompuGhana right here for your electronics. So everything is sorted from home office, like everything is sorted. All right.
It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes.
And we are gradually going towards where they have Christmas items.
Ring, ring, the Christmas bells, ring, ring. Swinging my shopping bag.
Look at this installation going on here. How cute is this? How cute! It's not done yet, but I'm loving what this looks like.
I spent all this bling bling, but I don't care what it costs. I'm leaving no name uncrossed. I got a list in my coat pocket stash. 'Cause when they open their gifts, their mood will instantly lift. 'Cause loved ones mean so much more.
So when you are coming over here, you need to be prepared, okay? This place is massive. It's overwhelming. I know. Coming to get home decor stuff, it's always advisable for you to have like a mood board, or if you're coming with your interior designer, it's better to have a lot of options than to have nothing at all. What do you think? Absolutely love it.
Than my cash. Ring, ring.
Options for everyone. You can see the trees. We have big, we have small, like everything within every budget. Can't emphasize that enough about Orca. More toys for the kids. It's about time they all, get something to keep them happy for being good, wonderful children for the entire year. What do you think? They have quite a lot of toy options now, I must say. Before they were quite limited to, I would say, like babies, so like say probably 3 years old, but I can see things for like older children now. Yeah, so there is a lot.
Snowflakes are falling and shopping is calling me. You see.
At the back, they have things for blinds, curtains and all of that stuff. And this section leads us to when you have to just feel comfortable and ease yourself up, you know. So this is what it looks like. Grand. Yeah, so make yourself feel comfortable, keep it tidy, keep it clean, and then you come out and you keep on going. Let me just keep moving.
The Christmas bells ring, ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling, bling.
So this is what I mean by this place is a one-stop shop for practically everything you need. I'm even thirsty. I had to get water. Hey, look at this. This is something that is so useful. Yeah, I got something like this not so long ago. I also got what is it called recently? I got this one recently. Very useful. If you love to travel, that's something for you. Okay, so from here I move on to the east wing upstairs, but before that, quickly I'm going to show you, in case you're hungry, and grab a quick bite from Vida E Cafe.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret.
You can also connect from here to the west wing, which is the old section, and that's also somewhere around where they have the Vida E Cafe. In between, there is an elevator for you to go upstairs, and also there is an escalator. But for now, let's just quickly do east wing upstairs.
Don't sit and tell me I'm pretty while you sip Jameson. Don't make me wanna stick around until the party ends. You've got a bad reputation, so what?
Welcome to Orca.
Thank you so much.
Things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase?
From here you can get a scoop of what is going on downstairs. We've already seen this section earlier. That's where we just came from downstairs.
Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
As always, there's always installations going on every time. Hi guys! Yeah, how beautiful is this right here? Orca puts you in the Christmas mood.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is to connect from here to the other side. But as I'm going, you can see connecting to the west wing now. This is the payment point for east wing on the first floor. Okay, yeah, so this is what it looks like. Hello. Hi. Okay, so from here now, we are connecting, going through a bridge. It feels like a bridge. See, this was where you were coming from. That's the entrance downstairs. Another payment point right here. We are already at the west wing now, and this is what it looks like so far from here. This place is massive, guys. Okay, so now I just met a sales advisor. Can you tell me what you guys do as sales advisor?
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. I'm a sales advisor at Orca Deco. And here on this floor we sell furniture, bags, as you can see behind me. Bag sets, with dinings, with center tables, with mirrors and dressers and everything. So as a sales advisor here at Orca Deco, what I do basically is to assist customers with their purchase. It's more like customer service, but here I only advise on the product they are buying. If it is good, if it is in good shape, the price and everything, if possible, discount. Here we give discounts as well. So if possible, discount. That's basically my job.
All right, thank you so much.
Don't say anything, that I try to stay away, avoiding all the pain. But you look like I like it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. You look like I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. You look like I like it.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
Just look at this beautiful artwork. Like, I see myself having this because look at it with the hair tie and all. Like, look how beautiful the texture, the color. I can really do resonate with this. Beautiful.
Now I take the long way home.
From watching this video, you'll be able to navigate your way around Orca. And this section here, this is where you connect with to the old Orca Deco. The showroom is still very much active around here. So you're just walking through here.
About you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I try.
Okay, so this is what the old section looks like. Currently we're at the west wing, ground floor, which like I said earlier was the old section. There are still beautiful setups here, by the way. I'm sure this place looks familiar to you. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and they have their carpets here. Yeah, so that runs it up for the guided tour. It is a big space. You should be ready to walk Yeah. Yes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and comment. Okay, I will see you on the next one. So this brings me to the end of the video.